Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you from the couch with like bed hair don't care kind of day. So today is Saturday. My surgery was Wednesday. That makes this, I don't know, post-op day 3. Yeah. Yesterday was painful. That's all I can say. It hurt. So my grandpa passed away yesterday morning peacefully. It was a very peaceful passing, and we were there with him, so it was good. The pain in my knee yesterday was unbearable. Not really my knee, it's my leg. It's my thigh muscle and my calf. So I did get some other medicine from the doctor yesterday that hopefully will work. I don't know. It just hurts. That's all I can say. So if you're getting a knee replacement, day 3 and 4, oh my gracious. That's all I can say. It's painful. I didn't do the exercises yesterday. I was on the phone with the doctor, the nurse, I guess, crying because it hurt so bad. And she said, just stop. It's just really swollen. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like. I might have to wait till I sit up, but let me see if I can show you. If you don't like scars or something, then just fast forward through it. Hang on, let me see. All right, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see my knee, and I'm spending most of my day in a narcotic high, it seems, so sometimes it doesn't make sense. Sorry for that now, but let me show you the knee. Look away if you don't want to see it. So here's what we have. Now, this wasn't supposed to go up this high or down that far, but my tissue was so tight in there that I guess he, ow, couldn't get it spread. Here's what I got now. Look down there, see that? I got a blister going on down there. Look at how, this is why it hurts. First of all, it's so swollen. Second of all, you see that there? There's like a total indentation in my knee. Do you see all this bruising? I don't even know how well you can see this, but there it is. There's where we are. This is, I don't even know. Let me put some ice back on. So this is post-op day 3. I got a shower today, which was nice, but I haven't really eaten since surgery Wednesday, just like a couple crackers here and there. So I got in the shower, and thankfully we put a walk-in shower for my grandpa, like with a seat on it, a year and a half ago or something, which was thankfully great. And so the shower felt amazing. But then I stood under the hot water, and I hadn't drank much, and I hadn't really eaten, and yeah. So then I got really dizzy, like my whole face was numb, and my aunt stayed just like right outside the bathroom door. So thankfully, I could just sit down on that seat in the, it's from my IV still, that seat in the shower, and she had to go get a fan and blow it on my face like I had no color. I guess I vasodilated myself, and at least I didn't pass out. But I feel so much better after getting a shower. That's what I'm saying. The pain, I think, is a little bit better today. Yesterday was unbelievably out of control. Like, probably worse than any other surgery that I've had. I mean, oh my gosh. 15 out of 10. That's what it was if somebody would have asked me. But they called me in that other medicine yesterday, and it said anti-anxiety, and I kind of was like, but it's actually, I was doing some reading on it, and it's helps with skeletal muscle pain. So that has really seemed to help, the combination of the two medicine. I can't do a ton of therapy yet today, but my doctor yesterday, when I called in tears because it hurts so bad, he said, if it's swollen, don't push it. Like, your priority needs to be to get that ice on there and get that hair in my face. Get ice on there and get that swelling down. So that's what I've been doing. My aunt keeps switching out the ice packs. Thankfully, my aunt is staying here still, and so she helps me. I can't get up and down still, like any gravity to my leg, if there's nothing supporting it, oh my gosh, that hurts so bad. So she has to help me transfer on and off the couch or the bed, or the Jacob's bed. I can actually get up to a seated position because his bed's pretty low to the floor, but that is the only piece of furniture that I can get up to a seated position from. I don't know. That's what's happening. That's what's happening today. And then everybody's like running around trying to do like, funeral stuff and stuff for my grandpa. So, see, I'm just a distraction to keep people's mind off of things. That's what I think. So, continued prayers are definitely appreciated. Everybody's on, just going through the motions, muddling through, and between my grandpa passing yesterday and my knee surgery, my mom has influenza A. I probably already said that. Anyway, we can definitely keep the prayers coming. I will say, yesterday, I did have 3 visitors. Well, I got some meals set up from church when I knew I was having surgery, and what a blessing that has been. So somebody dropped off food yesterday, and she stopped for a few minutes to talk to me. It's terrible. I feel so bad because people are talking to me, and I'm just like, I'm trying. I need some toothpicks to keep my eyes open from the wonderful drugs that I'm taking. Anyway, she stopped for a few minutes. The food was amazing. Jacob was like, amazing. I had like 1 bite, but Jacob was tearing it up. And the meals are set up for 3 people, but it's so much food because nobody's really eating very much because everybody's just like in a fog. And so my uncle comes by, or my aunt comes by, or my mom comes up, like it's enough food for everybody. So, and then the secretary from church stopped by yesterday and brought me she called it a sunshine basket. It's a basket of yellow stuff. Hold on. You see that basket over there? You see it? The basket with all the yellow stuff in it? That's my sunshine basket and all my drugs, the important things in life. So she stayed and visited for a little while last night, and then someone else came out and brought some food because they had a first responders dinner that was catered and they had food left over. So she put it in Ziploc bags and they dropped it off last night, which was great because, so many people are in and out and nobody's really eating. And so every family member that comes by, we just keep feeding them, all with meals that were set up for after my surgery. So what a blessing. It's such a great thing to have some nice Christian sisters that come by to talk to you. It just kind of calms everything down, Anyway, so pain. Yeah, the pain isn't really my knee. I mean, it hurts to bend it. It just feels very stiff in there, but the pain is my muscles. And I guess they put a tourniquet around your leg when they do the surgery. And then, if you want to see something terrible, go look up a YouTube video on a knee replacement, because there's some in there. I looked at them yesterday. Whew, no wonder my knee darn hurts. So that is that. Kyle's been downstairs with my mom. I'm trying to decide if I want to go down there with him for a few minutes, but I don't know. I need to do that drawing too. I think I'll have Jacob do that. So now I'm rambling, and I'm going to go for now and close my eyes for a little bit again. I got my little table here and this nice little hospital cup of water. It's still full, but I'm trying to drink more after I almost passed out in the shower today. That wasn't good. So, that's what I got going on. What do you guys got going on? I don't know. I'll check back in later and see where we are.